Okay, once you've worked out that Australia makes the world's best cookware now, Solidteknics, which ones to choose, where to start? Well, we've got two different ranges. We've got wrought iron, we've got wrought stainless steel. Different iron to the average, different stainless steel to the average. Huge benefits. So, but why do we have the two different types? Wrought iron, because it's seasoned and that's that color, it's not a toxic non-stick coating, it's just oil and high temperature at the factory to get you started. And seasoning, you'll continue to build that yourself. That is best for high temperature searing, grilling, frying, and that'll build up a better non-stick over time as your seasoning improves. Stainless steel, because it's zero maintenance, and our stainless steel cooks a lot like iron. It'll brown and sear just like iron, but with zero maintenance. So you can just, after you've cooked, you can scrape it and scrub it and throw it in the dishwasher after you've cooked like iron. Of course, slightly more non-stick and more forgiving because it becomes very slick on the surface, the seasoning. But we'll show you how to make stainless steel almost as non-stick anyway. But at home, think about what you're cooking on now, what sizes and what shapes, and just choose the nearest equivalent from the Solidteknics range, get comfortable with that, and then add a little more wrought iron, AUS-ION, and a little more Ferritic Stainless Steel, Noni, to have horses for courses. Stainless steel for your wet and acidic cooking, because that would strip a little bit of the seasoning, or for your high temperature fats and oil cooking, wrought iron you'll be happiest with.